Hey everyone! Welcome to today's episode, where we dive into one of the most exciting AI advancements in recent years, DeepSeek. If you've been hearing about AI, but don't quite understand what DeepSeek is and why it's such a big deal, you're in the right place. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll not only get it, you'll be able to explain it to your friends like a pro. Let's get started. What is DeepSeek? DeepSeek is an AI company specializing in open-source, large language models. Its mission is to create efficient and powerful AI models for developers and researchers. It was founded in 2023 by Liang Wanfeng. It's been said that its initial goal was to compete with OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and Anthropic. No doubt the rapid rise in AI advancements and open-source contributions has influenced its creation. DeepSeek's core products include the following. DeepSeek V3, released in 2024, is a major AI model with cutting-edge efficiency. There is open-source availability for transparency and adaptability. For anyone new to the world of technology and AI, think of DeepSeek as a super intelligent assistant that can generate text, answer questions, and even help with coding. It's like ChatGPT, but with a few tricks up its sleeve. So, how does DeepSeek work? DeepSeek is trained on data. It recognizes patterns, generates responses, and refines it. So, in a sense, this is the way AI models work. They learn from massive datasets and patterns. Large language models, LLMs, process information like a human brain. This is called mixture of experts (MO) architecture. To explain this in a simple way, imagine you have a team of experts, each specializing in a different topic. One knows sports, another knows science, another knows history. But when you ask questions, instead of all of them answering at once, a smart manager will pick the best 2 or 3 experts to answer that specific question. This way, you get a better answer without wasting time or effort from the others. That's basically how a mixture of experts (MO) architecture works in AI. So, instead of activating all neurons, DeepSeek selectively activates specific expert networks. This increases efficiency and reduces computational power usage. DeepSeek is trained on diverse datasets, improving accuracy. It uses both structured and unstructured data for learning. A real-world application of this could be for text generation, language translation, research assistance, and more. Imagine if your brain only activated the exact knowledge you needed at any given time. So DeepSeek's strategy helps not to waste energy on unrelated info. Now, how is DeepSeek different from ChatGPT? Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's look at it with the following. 1. Open source versus closed source. DeepSeek is open source, meaning anyone can access and modify it. ChatGPT by OpenAI is a closed-source commercial product. 2. Performance and benchmarks. DeepSeek often outperforms ChatGPT in specific coding and reasoning tasks. It uses fewer resources but delivers high efficiency. 3. Specialization areas. DeepSeek is optimized for multiple languages with a multilingual support. In addition, the coding support makes it excel in debugging and code generation. 4. Privacy considerations. DeepSeek's transparency allows for security reviews, which for some might help ease concerns about data usage policies in AI models. ChatGPT is like a super smart generalist, while DeepSeek is a specialist that knows when to call in the right experts. It's open source, means that developers can tweak it to fit their needs. 5. Writing assistance. DeepSeek helps with blogging, article writing, and creative content. It also provides ideas, outlines, and proofreading assistance. 6. Coding and development. It helps debugging complex scripts, generating code snippets based on simple instructions. 7. Business and customer support. Automating responses for customer service chatbots, assisting to enhancing virtual assistants for businesses. 8. Research and data analysis. It processes and summarizes large amounts of information, assisting in academic and market research. Whether you're a content creator, developer, or business owner, DeepSeek can seriously boost productivity. With all of these being said, these are challenges in AI development. This include A. Ethical concerns, ensuring AI remains unbiased and responsible. B. Regulatory hurdles, governments implementing AI regulations. 3. The AI race, open source versus corporate AI. Will open source AI like DeepSeek dominate over commercial models? Time will tell. What will be the balance between innovation and monetization? AI is evolving fast, and DeepSeek is at the forefront. But will it be the dominant AI in the future? That will depend on how it adapts to upcoming challenges. Alright, that's a wrap on DeepSeek for beginners. Now you know what DeepSeek is, how it works, and how it compares to other AI models. Let us know what you think in the comment section. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, would you try DeepSeek over ChatGPT? See you in the next video.